Hello.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty. What's your name?
My name is Israfil Khan Chagor. You call me Israfil.
All right, Mr. Israfil, where do you come from?
I come from Madaripur.
Madaripur, where?
Tekerhat.
Tekerhat?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Mr. Israfil, what do you do?
Now I'm a student of English Fantasy and recently I have completed my SSC exam. It's completed from Tekerhat Popular High School and College. And now I'm waiting for my result. 26 October published my results.
Wow, that's fine. So, are you afraid about your result or are you worried?
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for my results, sir.
Fine. Could you tell me your requirement result? What do you deserve now?
My result score almost 7, sir.
Okay. Mr. Israfil, if you get 7, where will you go?
I go to Australia, sir. Airport, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Israfil, what do you think about English fantasy? Is it possible to learn English language?
Always, sir. Few days ago, I'm not talking English, but now I am always speaking English, sir. Wow. It's possible, sir.
Okay. Thank you. That is the specialty of English fantasy,
Yes,
right?
sir. Obviously, sir.
That's fine. And Mr. Israfil, best of luck for you.
Sir.
And you have to study a lot.
Yes, sir. Always, and you pray for me, sir.
Yeah. Best of luck for you, Mr. Israfil.
Yes, sir. Thank
and I'll be here with you.
you. Yes, sir.
Right?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.